Hey guys, today I'm doing some more DIY electrical in the basement of the new house. I got a TV on the wall, as you can see, that I'm splicing into a bottom outlet right here. Oh, you can't see it on the camera. I'm splicing into this outlet. Gonna plug in the white to the white side, the black to the black side. I'm gonna hook the ground around all that stuff. I'm gonna running this new set of wires up the wall into here. I'm gonna put an outlet there, an outlet there. Now you can see it. And then these just hook to a new outlet. I'm gonna put the phone down and record how I do it. Maybe you guys can learn something from the master. All right, so we got that started. I'm gonna take a needle nose pliers. This is what the box looks like. These little things grab the drywall. They sell these at any Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's. You tighten that screw and it tightens up against the drywall. The wires go back inside there. I gotta take a needle nose pliers and pull those out a little bit so I can get the wire through the back. You can see it moving around back there. So I'm gonna do that next and get the wires up there fished into this. All right, I'll stop it and start it in a minute.